Good evening, all of you.
Very good, sir.
Thank you. Today, I would like to speak about power of money. What is the power of money, and what is this money? You say, what is this money?
What is power?
Money. Yes, yes. It's right. It's right. Money is a power. How? How? See, money is power, and some people are saying money cannot buy everything. Some people are saying me, money cannot buy everything. I says, hey, you are loser. Money is, I'm sorry, money can buy everything, every time, every way. How? See, here is money. This is the money. Here the relatives. Here the respect. Here the education. Here the luxurious. Money can buy education. Money can buy respect. Money can buy everything, and money can buy relationship also. Nowadays the Donald Trump is say one thought: you have money. When you have money, people say, how are you? You have money, people say, how are you? And when you don't have money, people say, who are you? That's why, my dear friends, earn money, because money is very important nowadays. That's why you do hard work. And how we earn money? How we earn money? Because so many ways are there in earn money. First, you study and you do hard work, and you take more percentage in your exam. You take more marks in your exam. You do hard work, and so many people his don't have confidence. Some people don't have confidence. That's why when you have confidence, you make, and you will do anything, anywhere, anytime. That's why, my dear friends, the and once again, so many people are tell me, what is the you saying money buy everything, and money is very important, money is very useful for person, and he is say me, hey man, you loser, yeah, money cannot buy everything, money cannot buy love, money cannot buy a relationship, money cannot buy feelings. Some people are saying me, but I say money can buy everything.
But
Money,
can't buy health.
money can. Why, sir?
Health. Health. How can you
You go to hospital, you get any problem, you go to hospital.
hospital treatment is temporary treatment.
No, sir, it is permanent treatment, sir, nowadays, because today is 5G, not a 2G. Today is 5G. You have any doubt, you ask me question. Ask me question. You have any doubt? That's why money is more important for nowadays persons. You don't have money, and the people says, I told again, who are you? That's why earn money, make money, and you do hard work is one of the big, the main point is that you do hard work, and you know. And one thing you remember, you have money, you can do anything. My dear friends, listen to me carefully. It's not joke. It is a real fact. Nowadays, you have money, some boys are there, some girls are there. You lead luxurious life in your life. You live, you will become a very rich person in the world. We like Ambani. Why? Tell me, we like Ambani. Why? Because yes, that's yes, money. Yes, there is king. There is king is there. That king name is money. That's why, my dear friends, money is very, very, very important. That's it. And
Without knowledge, we can earn money.
of course,
How is it? Can you explain?
how we have, there is two ways. There is a right? You don't have knowledge. You don't have
Skill.
skill.
I don't have a knowledge and I don't have skill.
You don't-
We have money.
You don't have knowledge. You don't have skill. You don't have knowledge. It's okay, no problem. You don't have skill. It's okay, no problem. There is two ways there. There is you have your any father property and grandpa property.
No, I don't have property.
You don't have means you go to any institution and you learn knowledge and you learn some skills. That's why when you learner you make it anything in your life. That's it, my dear friends. This is my one suggestion is there. You have money, you have many people says, hey, he's my friend, yeah, he's my brother, yeah, he's my sister, he's my relation. But when you don't have money, he's saying he's doing some activities.
Okay.
That's why money is very important.
Siddharth, can I ask you questions?
Yes, of course, sir.
Okay, fine. So today you have spoken very energetically, you have spoken very confidently, you have spoken very fantastically.
Yes,
okay? So your presentation seminar was very attractive and very great presentation. So very well. Okay. So after joining this spoken English class, after attending spoken English class, what changes have you noticed? What changes have you made in your daily routines?
Yes. First, I took admission in seventh class.
Okay.
I took admission in seventh class. This same sir and same institution, but name is different. Same sir is there. When when I took admission in seventh, I learned so many things in seventh class in this spoken English class. Whatever means I learn how to speak with people and how to communicate with people and how to speak English and how to read English and how to write English. And then I had some problems and I leave the spoken English class. But now I'm written in the spoken English class because I'm very interesting now. That's why I take admission in a Republic spoken English class. It's not a only name. It's not a only name. It is the success place for students. It is a brand name. It is brand also. It is a very powerful place because we learn so many things in this class.
Yes.
It is very grateful place. So many people are saying he's doing saying advertisement. He's doing overacting activity, but I'm not doing overacting activities.
We have great trainer.
We have great trainer because sir is teaching very beautiful and very fantastic. This is my experience. I'm not impressing sir. I am experienced in 7th class. That's why I like Republic tuition. I like my sir, and I changed in my life. So many people are told me, hey Sidling, you changed your life and you improve in English. You are a very talking very nice English. I told him it's not my effort. It's not my work. It is my sir work because my sir is given me more work and he is creating the. Then Sidling is different, but nowadays Sidling is different. That's why I'm very proud to be my sir, and I'm very thankfully my sir. Fortunate. That's why my opinions.
Yes. Okay. Now, how do you feel? Do you feel happy?
Yes, sir. Very happy, sir.
Okay.
Very happy, sir.
now.
Yes.
Okay. Are you getting any improvement day by day?
Yes.
Are you getting
Yes,
better?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Of course.
Yes, of course. Sir.
Okay. Nice. Very well.
Thank
so
you.
he has spoken
Thank
very
you.
nicely.
Thank you so much. Yes, sir.
Yes. Good.